So I wanted to take you through this brand new Meritage model home in Sierra Vista. If you haven't been up to Sierra Vista, let me show you around. So Meritage is one of the most energy efficient homes out there. They put the spray foam insulation and their homes are super efficient. And right now they are offering a 5.75 interest rate. Hey, it's James Potenza, that Houston new home realtor. I want to be your #1 resource for Sierra Vista or anywhere around the Houston area that can represent your best interest to help ensure you get the best deal on a well-built home. All right, let's go take this model home. All right, I hope you like looking through model homes as much as I do. They're amazing. Yeah, so I want to be your #1 resource for any homes in Sierra Vista, any builders. I'm out here all the time. I know everything about every builder in here. And so yeah, let me be your guide. I can represent your best interest throughout the entire home buying process, whether you're looking to build from the ground up or buy an inventory home. Either way, I can help you out. Go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel. I've put my contact information right up there. And subscribe to my channel because I've got hundreds of videos of homes like this in the actual build process. So you know if the builders are good or not. I review homes. Everything is on my YouTube channel. So go ahead and visit my YouTube channel, and then hope you enjoyed the model tour.